So it's been 3 years since we've been in Copenhagen, since our last event. It's great to be back here. Great to see so many friends, colleagues, partners from across the entire Nordic region. Here we are, Copenhagen Nordic Marketplace 2023.
So I'm Roberta from Nordic Ways, Brazilian Swedish, based in Stockholm, and it's just so nice to be here. After 2 years that we had this event online, we understand how great it is to connect and to meet people again. So we are just moving around in the tables and saying hi and smiling, and this makes a whole difference.
Today we are here at the Nordic Marketplace. It's been very, very interesting for me. It was my first time. So it's good to meet with existing and new suppliers, absolutely. I learned a lot about the Nordic countries and the Baltic countries, and yeah, so it's been very, very useful. So.
It's nice to have returned to Copenhagen. I was in Copenhagen back in 2020 before COVID started, so I had been to this event then. It's very nice to be back this time, and I met a lot of very, very good possible partners in DMCs and hoteliers. I also reconnected with a lot of people that I've worked with in the past, so it was nice to reconnect. A lot better doing it in person than doing it on Zoom meetings. The reason I come to these is because I want to connect, I want to reconnect. I want to get new ideas, new concepts, new ways of presenting amazing experiences to my clientele.
Honor is a new French tour operator last June. We are offering tailor-made trips with for FITs, families, couple, friends, and small group from 10, maximum 15 in all Nordic countries, Baltic countries, and North America, Canada and Alaska, in all year, B2B and B2C sales. It's again good for everybody, for business. People want to travel again, so very important for everybody. So very happy to be there.
This particular event is very well organized, and I love that there are so many suppliers that I'm meeting. We have already been working since so many years, but it's always good to have a face behind that email. You know, it's a very nice way to meet all the suppliers in one place in a short period of time, so I love it.
What an incredible day today. 27 meetings for each supplier and buyer. Everybody's now relaxing and having a drink and saying what a great day it was today. Incredible feedback, fantastic sponsors we've had today. We are so happy to have had this event in person once again in Copenhagen, and we're doing everything we can possible to arrange exactly the same, maybe a little bit bigger in 2024. Thanks to everybody that came, to our sponsors, and looking forward to seeing you all next year.